Hello again, and welcome back to our WordPress tutorial series. In this second class, we delved into the crucial process of choosing a domain name for your website. Your domain isn't just a web address, it's your online identity and a significant part of your brand. We explored the power of a great domain name and shared pro tips to guide you through the selection process. From relevance and snappiness to memorability and legal considerations, we covered it all. With tools like domain registrars and name generators, we made the journey interactive and live, culminating in the exciting moment of registering your chosen domain. But this is just the beginning. Remember, your domain is the foundation of your online presence. Now, let's move forward together, equipped with the perfect domain name. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials in our series. Choosing a domain name for your website. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to our tutorial series. Today, we're tackling a crucial aspect of building your online presence, choosing the perfect domain name for your website. Step 1. The power of a great domain name. Your domain is more than just a web address, it's your brand, your identity on the internet. Step 2. Pro tips for the perfect domain. Tip 1. Relevance. Make sure your domain speaks to your website's purpose. Consider using keywords for that extra SEO boost. Tip 2. Keep it snappy. Short, sweet, and easy to spell. Complex names are easily forgotten. Tip 3. Memorable matters. Aim for memorability. Avoid hyphens and numbers for a name that sticks. Tip 4. Brand it right. If you're representing a brand, ensure your domain aligns with your overall branding strategy. Tip 5. Avoid legal hassles. Check for trademarks and copyrights to steer clear of legal issues. Tip 6. Learn from competitors. Explore what your competitors are doing with their domain names for inspiration and differentiation. Step 3. Tools to find the perfect domain. Tool 1. Domain registrars. Check out popular registrars like GoDaddy, Namecheap, and Google Domains for domain availability checks. Tool 2. Domain name generators. Dive into online tools like NameMesh, Lean Domain Search, or Panoply for creative suggestions based on your keywords. Step 4. Check domain availability and style. Let's jump onto the web and check the real-time availability of your chosen domain name. Step 5. Making the final decision live. We're deciding on the best domain together. Consider availability, relevance, and memorability. Step 6. Register your domain. Let's do it. Get ready to register your chosen domain. We're doing it live, step by step. Step 7. Future-proof your domain. Learn about renewal dates, ownership control, and ensuring your domain can grow with your brand. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the exciting process of choosing a domain name for your website. Remember, your domain is your online identity, make it memorable. Stay tuned for more awesome tutorials in our series. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time. Selecting a reliable hosting provider is crucial for the success and performance of your website or application. With numerous options available, it can be overwhelming to make the right choice. This tutorial will guide you through the essential steps to help you choose a reliable hosting provider. Step 1. Define your hosting needs. Before diving into the selection process, it's essential to understand your specific hosting requirements. Consider the following factors. Type of website/application. Is it a simple blog, a business website, or a resource-intensive application? Do you need support for specific technologies like PHP, Python, or Node.js? Traffic volume. Estimate your expected traffic volume to ensure the hosting plan can handle it. Performance requirements. Determine the level of performance you need. Factors such as server speed, storage, and RAM are crucial. Scalability. Consider whether the hosting provider allows easy scalability as your website or application grows. Step 2. Research hosting providers. Read reviews. Look for reviews from reputable sources and user testimonials. Pay attention to both positive and negative feedback. Consider uptime guarantees. Choose a provider with a high uptime guarantee, 99.9% or above. Uptime is crucial for the availability of your website. Support and customer service. Check the support options provided: live chat, phone, ticket system. Look for hosting providers with 24/7 customer support. Server location. Choose a hosting provider with servers geographically close to your target audience to reduce latency. Check features and limitations. Compare features such as storage, bandwidth, SSL certificates, and additional services. Step 3. Assess performance and reliability. Speed and performance. Look for providers that use high-performance hardware. Consider options with content delivery networks, CDN, for faster content delivery. Server resources. Ensure the hosting plan provides sufficient resources, CPU, RAM, and storage, for your website or application. Backups and security. Check for regular automated backups and security features like firewalls and DDoS protection. Step 4. Evaluate pricing and plans. Compare pricing. Understand the pricing structure, including renewal costs. Look for any hidden fees or charges. Trial periods and money-back guarantees. Choose providers that offer trial periods or money-back guarantees to test their services. Scalability options. Ensure the hosting plans allow easy upgrading or downgrading based on your needs. Step 5. Check for additional services. Domain registration. Some hosting providers offer domain registration services. Consider this if you haven't registered a domain yet. SSL certificates. Check if the hosting plan includes a free SSL certificate for secure data transmission. Email hosting. If email functionality is essential, ensure the hosting plan supports email hosting with sufficient storage. Step 6. Review terms of service and policies. Read terms and conditions. Understand the terms of service, acceptable use policies, and any restrictions imposed by the hosting provider. Cancellation policies. Be aware of cancellation policies and any associated fees. Step 7. Customer feedback and reputation. Online forums and communities. Explore forums and communities to gather insights from existing customers. Social media. Check the hosting provider's social media profiles for customer interactions and responses. Step 8. Make your decision. Weigh pros and cons. Compile all the information and weigh the pros and cons of each hosting provider. Choose a reliable hosting provider. Based on your research, make an informed decision and choose the hosting provider that aligns best with your needs. By following these steps, you can increase the likelihood of selecting a reliable hosting provider that meets your specific requirements. Keep in mind that ongoing monitoring and periodic reassessment are important as your website or application evolves. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the second class of our WordPress tutorial series, where we explored the intricate world of choosing the right domain name. Your journey in establishing a strong online identity has just begun, and the domain you've selected is a key element in building your brand. Make it memorable, relevant, and uniquely yours. We hope you found this class insightful and engaging. Keep the momentum going as we venture into more aspects of creating and managing your WordPress website. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy website building!